So in real estate, when you come across this in a contract, it means that everything needs to strictly be followed and completed by that time. If the time comes and what was said in the contract was not completed by that time, a breach of contract has happened. Meaning, somebody lied, someone doesn't care about somebody else's time, doesn't care about this agreement, doesn't care about this um, contract. So, for example, if the seller says you have 30 days to figure out your inspection, figure out your funds, figure out everything, and as the buyer and the buyer's agent, we're just, you know, lollygagging and we're not really taking time into account, the seller can walk away with the buyer's down payment deposit. The seller can walk away with the buyer's deposit. And that is why usually when certain clauses like that appear in contracts, attorneys are very important in the process of purchasing a home or selling a home, because attorneys in some way keep people in check. Like, we got to make sure this. They're very good at that. So remember to always advise attorneys to be in your client's purchase, or in your client's in your listing client's home. Attorneys are very important.